Today is the day we're opening up our mystery box pins.
Finally. We've had them for quite a while.
Well, at least since our last trip in August, right?
Yeah, most of them.
So we've been meaning to share it with you folks. We wanted to open them up, but now we have so many, I think it's time just to get a special vlog out.
Right.
Open them up.
See what we got. I'm curious.
Me too. So the first one's from the Epcot Food and Wine, and you can see there it's all Figment. It looks like
Figment, and it looks like all he's wearing a chef hat, right?
Yep. So you get 2 per box, and it looks like 9, 10, 11 in the set. Yep, it's 11 in the set. So there's all the pins. As long as I don't get doubles. If you ever watch me do these, I hate getting doubles. That's the bane of my existence.
You're gonna get all doubles.
Don't say that. So we'll open them up.
Let me use this scissors. It's easy.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, so this is Italy, right?
Is that
I think they're each country.
Oh, yeah. Yep, and it's got a little menu there. Yep. Hard to see.
Yep, and this one.
Well, hold on, so let me show folks this one. So you can see that one's Italy. That's cool.
And this one is UK.
UK. I didn't realize that when I got these. This is cool though.
Yeah.
That's the
That's
UK.
a fun little surprise that they're from the countries.
Yep, so I'll let you open them up. Get this all going.
Oh, a different one. Norway?
Norway. Yep, so this one's Norway. So I don't know we won't get the set, but as long as they don't get doubles, I'll be happy. So there's Norway. That's cool.
America.
America. Almost looks like it's a candy apple.
It does.
Doesn't it?
Yeah. Maybe it's supposed to be. Is that American?
And it is America.
Oh, there you go. Wah, wah.
Yeah, because you're a jinx.
No, I said it to not jinx it.
So there's Italy. That's a double.
Now, this is different, right? That's France. So we only have
one double.
one double. It's not bad.
That looks like a croissant. So there's France. Cool. Let's move on to our next mystery box. These are from Universal. I've never seen Universal do mystery boxes.
Yeah.
I think they're copying Disney. Right? That's what they do.
The money's from it.
Yep. So there's 7 in the set. And it looks like a lot of these are from the icons. And then you can see the chaser pin right there.
Oh, well, we get that.
So there's the Universal one.
From Halloween Horror Nights.
And there's the checklist. And I just want to get the chaser. And I know we're getting doubles because I have 5 boxes. Right, Meredith?
Right.
But that's okay. And you get 2 per box. Same packaging. Like everything's the same.
Yep. Probably the same company that makes them.
Yep.
That's
the caretaker.
Caretaker.
Alright, here you go. Oh, and it says 30 years, 30 fears. So there you go. That's the caretaker. That's cool. Just make some room here.
I don't know. I forget that name.
That's Chance. I think this is Jack's friend. So there's Chance. That's really, really cool.
Looks like you have a video camera.
Oh, so this is the director. I know, it's weird that I realized who these people are, isn't it?
I don't know any of who these are.
That's the director.
Is that the old lady?
Yep, this is the storyteller. So we get 4 of the 7 out of the 2 boxes we've opened so far. Martha keeps giving me the empty boxes back. I don't know why.
I don't know.
We need the chase. We need the chase. Oh. Our first double Chance.
Oh, this is a different one.
And I think that's cool. This is from that Scare Zone, one of the Terra people.
Oh.
You know that Scare Zone next to the crepe place?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so that's 5.
Oh!
Yes! We need one more. Yes! Meredith just pulled the chase one. Alright, all's good in the world now. I just need Jack the Clown. Regular Jack the Clown. And I'm going to be thrilled. Alright. We got one more box to go to try to get it. But there's the other double director. Alright, one more. Need to get Jack the Clown. Right?
Mm-hmm.
We get the chaser one. Okay. Storyteller. Double. So everybody that collects these that may have an extra Jack the Clown, I'd love to trade with you. But hey, I'm happy we get the chase.
So
that was the one that I really wanted to get that I was worried about getting. But decent looking pins.
Mm-hmm.
Right? I mean, we dabble a little bit in the Universal pin stock. Not bad at all.
Yeah.
Alright, so you wanted to know how much these were. So these were $16 a box for 2. And the Disney ones are typically $18. So $2 cheaper for the Universal ones.
Mm-hmm.
Our last mystery box pins, I would say these are for the 50th anniversary.
Yep.
We bought these back from our last trip.
Yep.
And I still think you get smaller boxes. So it looks like 10 total, 2 in a box. You can see different boxes now. And there you go. Those are all the ones you can get in the set.
Seems like all the icons from the park or different characters from the parks over the years.
Yeah. All right, you want to get right into it?
And these are also you can only get 2 at a time. So I think we either stayed in line separate or we got them at different places.
I think we might have got them at different places. And the packaging's different.
Oh.
Look, you don't even need scissors.
Really?
Yeah. No, you don't need.
Oh, I need to
So
open it.
there's the packaging in these. Gold.
Gold.
And there's a little slot here, so it makes it easier to peel.
Fancy.
Finally. No longer need scissors. Alright, I'm going to open up first.
Alright.
So first one is Alice in Wonderland in the teacups. I'll show you that one. That's cool. Okay, what did you get?
This guy from Country Bear Jamboree.
That's Big Al.
Big Al.
That's cool. Big Al. Oh, you get a double?
Mm-hmm. Alice.
Alice in Wonderland teacup. So, yeah, here we go.
But they might have these the whole 18 months, so you can...
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah.
Alright. The Madame the Yoda pin from Haunted Mansion. Happy about that. Alright, we got one more box. Remember, doesn't like to share when it comes to opening.
It's like Christmas. I can't open the box. The box seems harder to open.
No, you just don't know how to do it.
Maybe.
You just try. Alright, hold it. You go too quick.
I know. I'm excited. I'm going to open them.
Another Madame the Yoda. So again, we'll trade with people. Alright, calm down, Kimasabi. Calm down. And
It's the guy from the milk from Kitchen Cabaret or Food Rocks.
It was hard for
Food
me
Rocks.
to figure out what character that was. That's cool.
Fudge.
Oh, and look at that. We get the same ones.
It's double. Well, let's hope this one looks like Madame Yoda.
Oh, we're going to have to bring it in. Yep.
Another Madame.
Well, we got to hit the pin trading.
Yeah.
And trade these for things we don't have.
Yeah.
All right. All right, so those are our mystery box pins.
Yep.
We get some doubles, but all in all, I enjoyed them.
Yeah.
I'm really happy about the Universal ones, the Halloween Horror Nights.
Yeah,
I didn't
they
get
got a
Jack
lot
the
of them.
Clown, but I
Yeah.
get the Chaser. All is good in the world.
Mm-hmm.
The 50th ones, I don't know. They're too much blue in every pin. It's like all that color, same color spectrum, blue, light blue, purple.
Yeah.
And we get a lot of doubles out of the, right, we have 4 unique ones, 4 doubles.
Yeah, but like I said, we can bring some of them with us and to trade if we see something else we like. So.
Yeah. My favorite, actually, the Halloween Horror Nights, followed by the Food and Wine.
Yeah, me too.
I'm not sure I'm going to buy any more of the 50th anniversary, just not feeling it there.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
And if you did, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because sometimes we put vlogs out a couple times a week so you can see our new videos when they come out.
Yeah, and so next time, see you real soon.
Bye.
Bye.